Alright, I'll take this one right here, hold down X, and snap that one down. Let's go ahead and scale this one flat. Snap that into place. Oops. Scale this one into place. Scale this one into place, and then translate it. Alright, so we're ending up with some interesting looking geometry right here. I'm actually going to grab these edges right here and scale and translate them as well. Oops. Okay, and you can see with this last one, we actually looks like we need to insert an edge loop right in through here. Now I kind of anticipated that that would be the case. That's cool. We can go ahead and just scale that down and snap it into place. All right, that one's going to go all the way around in through the front of our walkie-talkie. Okay, for the moment, I'm actually going to grab this edge here, hold down Shift and double click and bring it all the way down to here and grab that edge. Actually, you know what? I'm going to do it beyond that point. I'm going to delete those. Actually, not delete those. Let's go ahead and do the delete edge and verticing. Okay, because what I want to do is grab each of these 8 faces unencumbered by that additional geometry. I'm going to click on my edit mesh and deselect keep faces together. Now this is really cool because now when we extrude, it'll extrude each one of these faces individually. So I'll hit the extrude button. Alright, I'm going to use the scale tool that's associated with the extrude. Alright, so that I can do that. Right, now that that's been done,